Transfer learning is one of those concepts that, once you grasp it, opens up a world of possibilities, especially in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Imagine a scenario where you have a model trained to recognize cats and dogs. You've fed it thousands of images, and it's become quite adept at distinguishing between the two. Now, what if you want to train it to recognize a completely different set of animals, say birds? Traditionally, you would need to gather thousands of bird images, label them, and start the training process from scratch. This is where transfer learning comes into play, and it's a game changer. Transfer learning allows us to take that pre-trained model, the one that already understands the nuances of visual data, and adapt it to a new task with far less data and time. It's like having a seasoned chef who knows how to cook Italian cuisine and then teaching them how to whip up a delicious Thai dish. They already have the foundational skills. They just need to learn a few new techniques and flavors. In the world of AI, this means that we can leverage existing knowledge to tackle new challenges more efficiently. Let's dive into some real-world applications to illustrate just how transformative transfer learning can be. In healthcare, for instance, the ability to diagnose diseases from medical images is crucial. Imagine a model trained on thousands of images of healthy and unhealthy lungs. This model can then be fine-tuned to detect specific conditions like pneumonia or lung cancer with a fraction of the data that would normally be required. This not only speeds up the diagnostic process but also enhances accuracy, ultimately saving lives. The implications are profound. We're talking about potentially revolutionizing how we approach medical diagnostics. In the realm of natural language processing, transfer learning has made waves as well. Consider sentiment analysis, where businesses want to understand how customers feel about their products. A model trained on a vast corpus of text can be adapted to analyze reviews for a specific product or service. Instead of starting from scratch, companies can harness the power of language understanding that the model has already acquired. This means quicker insights into customer sentiment, allowing businesses to respond more effectively to their audience's needs. It's about making informed decisions based on real-time feedback, and that's invaluable in today's fast-paced market. Let's not forget about the creative industries. Artists and designers are using transfer learning to enhance their work. Imagine a graphic designer who wants to create unique artwork by blending styles from different cultures. By employing a model trained on various artistic styles, they can generate new pieces that reflect a fusion of influences. This not only inspires creativity, but also democratizes art, allowing anyone with access to these tools to express themselves in innovative ways. It's a beautiful intersection of technology and creativity, where the boundaries of traditional art forms are expanded. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work? At its core, transfer learning involves two main steps: pre-training and fine-tuning. During pre-training, a model learns to recognize patterns and features from a large data set. This is often done on general tasks, like image classification or language modeling. Once the model has a solid understanding of the data, it can be fine-tuned on a smaller, task-specific data set. This process is not only efficient, but also cost-effective, as it reduces the need for extensive labeled data. The beauty of transfer learning lies in its versatility. It's not limited to just one domain. It can be applied across various fields. For instance, in agriculture, farmers are using machine learning models to monitor crop health. A model trained on images of healthy and diseased plants can be adapted to identify specific issues in a farmer's field. This empowers farmers with actionable insights, enabling them to take proactive measures to protect their crops and ensure food security. In the realm of autonomous vehicles, transfer learning plays a crucial role in improving safety and efficiency. A model trained on a vast array of driving scenarios can be fine-tuned to navigate specific environments, like city streets or rural roads. This adaptability is essential for developing systems that can handle the complexities of real-world driving conditions. It's about making our roads safer and more efficient, paving the way for a future where autonomous vehicles are a common sight. As we explore these applications, it's important to recognize the ethical considerations that come with the power of transfer learning. With great power comes great responsibility. The data we use to train these models must be diverse and representative to avoid biases that could lead to unfair outcomes. It's crucial for researchers and practitioners to be mindful of the implications of their work, ensuring that the technology serves everyone equitably. So why should you care about transfer learning? Because it's not just a technical concept, it's a catalyst for innovation. It's about harnessing existing knowledge to solve new problems, making technology more accessible and efficient. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone curious about the world, understanding transfer learning empowers you to engage with the future of technology in a meaningful way. Imagine a world where healthcare is more accessible, where businesses can respond to customer needs in real time, where creativity knows no bounds, and where our environment is better protected. Transfer learning is a stepping stone toward that future. It's an invitation to think differently, to embrace the possibilities that arise when we combine knowledge from various domains. As you reflect on this, consider how you can apply the principles of transfer learning in your own life. What skills do you already have that can be adapted to new challenges? How can you leverage existing knowledge to innovate in your field? The potential is limitless, and the only barrier is your imagination. Embrace the power of transfer learning and let it inspire you to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future is bright, and it's waiting for you to take the next step.